Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. I wanted to say happy Valentine's to all the people out there. I wanted to show you this amazing thing we're gonna create today. This is a heart with flowers in it. We're gonna be using this mold, our mold release spray, some dried flowers, and our deep pour epoxy. Let's get right into it. First things first, we're gonna take this mold release spray right into our mold. And this is, of course, so the epoxy won't stick. It'll pop right out, no problema. We take our flowers, put them right into the mold, and I'm gonna try to do this under 3 to 5 minutes just to blow you guys away. So these are dried flowers. Let's put them right in. There we go. By the way, my daughters, they really want my video to be successful, so please give it a thumbs up and a like, and if you really love it, please subscribe. Okay, flowers in. We're gonna do this in 2 pours. First one we're gonna do, we're gonna take 3 parts resin, 1 part hardener. Now, we're gonna take the product, it's been mixed, we got it here, we're gonna pour it right into our mold. Let's check it out. Just wanna get a real nice even pour here. Very thin, goes in like water, minimal bubbles if any. Okay, that's our first pour. Okay, so what I want to do is I'm going to use this popsicle stick here, and I just want to take it and push the flowers down. The reason why is we want to make sure all the bubbles are out. We're just going to push it in there, make sure everything's soaked. You can see a lot of bubbles coming up. Now this product is very, very low viscosity. It takes a long time to cure, guys. This is not a normal epoxy resin. You're looking at probably a day to a day and a half to fully cure. So that's what you need though for this deep pour, because it allows the bubbles to come up and dissipate. There's no heat, minimal shrinkage of any. And by the way, all these bubbles you see here on the surface, guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna pop them with a torch here any second. So this is all we're trying to do. And again, this is gonna be 2 pours, guys. The first pour to encapsulate the flowers, and then the second pour will be to basically cover it up. Okay, now we got our handy dandy torch here. We're gonna take it right to the epoxy and pop these bubbles. Ready? Here we go. Look at those bubbles just popping, look at that. Isn't that amazing? All gone. That's the nice thing about this product. Oop, that flower got a little hot there. Don't wanna catch on fire. No more bubbles, all gone. Perfect. Right now we're having a sale on our website. Everything's 15% off. You come to our website, use our discount code Valentine15. That's Valentine15. Everything on our site's 15% off. You can buy this kit, the mold, the flowers, and the epoxy on our website. Use Valentine15, and happy Valentine's, everybody. Thanks for stopping by.